Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening some more Mini Brands Create. These are the MasterChef little food, build your own food things. Very similar to the Miniverse. Let's see what I get this time. I'm hoping for the super rare apple pie. That would be awesome. Let's open, I guess it's in here, the recipe card. Ooh, oh, this is a new one. This is the glazed lamb. I've been wanting to see this one. So it tells you on the front of the card what you're getting. Then it shows you how to build it. And then on the back, you see all of them. Which I do have pretty many. I still need the pork loin. Yeah, I do need that one. And I do have a lot of these. The fruit tart I need, and then the rare one. So let's finish opening all these. We have the tray, the tongs, and a fork. That snaps on here. I can manage to hold on to it. We have a light. I already have one set out, so I'll leave that one wrapped. A plate. Some veggies. Looks like some carrots. Some greenery. Here's our resin. It says finishing glaze. Oh, that's cute. The glazed lamb. All right, and then that's just a placemat that they give you as well. Okay, so the first thing it tells us to do is to take the glaze and drizzle it all over the pan. Oh, and put some in the middle. It's not drizzling very nicely. I don't want to make like complete lines, but yeah, it shows it real thin. I think it'll be okay. It's whatever. Then we take these carrots and we're going to place them in the middle and kind of stack them. I have one going that way, one going like that. Looks like maybe another one over there. And then the carrots, one is going, oops, well, they're falling, whatever. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna lay that one, trying to get some resin on it, which is why I'm scooting it around. It doesn't show where that other one is, but maybe I can like scooch it in like that. So it has you set that first with the light, and then you come back to place the lamb. So I think that's fine. We're gonna go with this for now. Okay, now that we have that cured, it's showing that we're going to lay the meat all around it. Then we're gonna add that little garnish and then put some glaze over the top. I think that's pretty good. And then we have one little leaf. I feel like I should add that at the end though, where I want it. So I'm gonna, well, they just have it laying on the side. I think that's cute. So I'm gonna try to drizzle this all on there so everything's touching. That way it cures as one big piece. Gonna gently rotate it. Lots of little bubbles there. I think like that's pretty good. It's actually making me hungry. It looks so fancy and cute. I think that's everything's touching. So I'll go ahead and cure it before it starts dripping too much, and I'll be back to show you the final product. All right, here's the final product. I think it turned out pretty good. I like the meat ones like this. There's another one, I think a pork loin that I still have to get, and then the rare one and the fruit tarts. And then I have the whole series. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this, and if you want to see me make more, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Bye guys.